For me, the business of real estate has nothing to do with selling houses. My name is Alex Abad. I'm currently a real estate agent with Compass, and I'm here to answer the most commonly asked questions about real estate on the internet. Dude, real estate agents make a lot of money. It takes a lot to make a lot of money. Are realtors going away? No. What do realtors do all day? Oh man, you're welcome to hang around with me anytime you want. Then you realize you want no part of this business. I get up at 4:30. I make some coffee. I'll start to look to see if any new properties came on the market. You spend a lot of time creating content for the week, for the day, and of course then you have your social media side. So you're always creating content, to kind of draw attention to what you're doing. Wow, realtors are a joke, overpaid, liars, obsolete, not your friend. Yeah, no, I don't think it's really any of these. I think you can find a bad apple just about anywhere you go. Is real estate for me? The business of real estate is the hardest thing you'll ever do, bar none. I've had several different companies, and I can tell you that real estate is the hardest thing you'll ever do. It's highly competitive. There's 4,600 agents in the South Bay. You have to look at the South Bay as an aisle in a supermarket, and you got 4,600 ketchup bottles, and everybody's got red inside. Everybody's got a license. How do you become the chosen one? Why is real estate called real? I'm just gonna leave this one alone. Am I going to be renting forever? I'm one of those that believes that at the end of the day, it's about your lifestyle. If you can afford to buy your lifestyle, great. If you can't afford to buy your lifestyle, then I would say rent it. How do I know if I'm ready to buy? Well, from a financial side of it, you need to get together with a loan officer, loan broker, or a bank or a credit union. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are able to qualify to be able to buy one. Why do realtors drive nice cars? Primarily because they need a write-off. I'm currently driving a Ford Raptor just because of my lifestyle. It's all good. I think everybody's an individual and they can choose to drive whichever car they want, and especially if they've earned it. Why do realtors fail? That's a great question. I think it's because they really fail to understand the business of real estate. Their perception of real estate is that they're selling houses. If you get down to the business of real estate, it's you. You're the product. You're the brand. People ask me a lot, like, hey, what are your goals? What kind of goals do you set every year? And I tell them, I don't set goals. I create motion. I have a goal in mind, but my goal is to be chosen. Why do realtors hate Zillow? You're having to pay to keep your own listing from being used. So that's it. But other than that, I think Zillow can play a very important part, especially it does for the public. And then it allows us to come in and actually use what they believe their property is worth based on Zillow and actually give them more accurate information. So yeah, I don't hate Zillow. You just have to learn to work with it. Why are real estate agents so pushy? Well, actually, real estate agents should not be pushy. Your job is to manage a transaction. So if you have a pushy real estate agent, give me a call. I won't push you.